Top reasons to consider a swim spa at home. A swim spa is a great way to entertain loved ones, but it can also improve health and well-being. With customizable lap swimming, year-round access, and more, here are the top reasons to consider a swim spa at home. Swim in comfort all year long. Lap swimming helps to tone muscles, maintain a healthy body weight, and improve cardiovascular health. A traditional swimming pool can only be used a few months out of the year, but a swim spa is compact and can be used year-round. Relax and soothe with hydro massage. Modern swim spas have both a lap pool and a hot tub spa. Swim at one end and enjoy a hot tub spa at the other. On-demand hydrotherapy is easier than ever. Enjoy a revitalizing workout and then slip over to the other side for soothing relief. Family fun for all ages. With a swim spa at home, it's easy to get the kids off the gadgets and into the pool. Turn the current up and splash in the waves for safe enjoyment. Aquatic exercise of any kind is a smart way to enjoy family-friendly fun from the comfort of your own home. So go ahead, take a swim. You deserve it. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, it's good for the body, soothes the mind, and can improve your overall health and well-being. To encourage local residents to check out the benefits of using a swim spa to help improve their overall health and well-being, the Spa and Sauna Company is providing free swim spa test soaks. We do recommend, however, that people wanting to schedule their free 30-minute swim call us ahead of time to reserve their spot. To learn more about the benefits of owning a swim spa, just give us a call at 775-852-3838 or go to www.spaandsauna.com.